Welcome on my channel Mathematics for class 11 unit number 8 matrices and determinants exercise 8.1 question number 1 write the order of matrix. First part, we have a matrix, a row matrix 5 minus 2 and 1. This minus is with 2. We know that order of a matrix is the number of rows and columns. Thus order of this matrix, order of 5 minus 2 and 1 is 1 cross 3. Next we have a matrix 1 2 3 having elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The order of this matrix, the order of matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is equal to is 3 cross 3. Next we have question having a matrix having element 0. Solution, order of matrix is 1 cross 1. It means 1 row and 1 column. Question number 2, write the general notation for entries. First part of question number 2, row matrix of order 1 by 3. In general form, we observe that we have no entries. We only write A11, A12, A13, such that. Solution, we have this is a row matrix. It means it has only 1 row and 3 columns. So we have A11, A12, A13. These are 3 entries in this row matrix. Next we have column matrix. Of order 2 by 1. We observe that here we have 2 rows and 1 column. A11, A21. We have only 2 elements and 3 null matrix of order 1. We have a set of 0, 1 row and 1 column. This is question number 4 and 5. We have 0 matrix of order 3 by 1. Solution, we have this is 0 matrix with 3 rows and 1 column. 1 2 3, these are 3 rows and we have 1 column. Question number 3, determine true or false. First part of question number 3, we have a matrix 0 1 is equal to 0 1. We observe that this matrix have 1 column and 2 rows, but this has 2 columns and 1 row, and their order is not same. This is rows and we have rows and columns, rows first and column second. We have 2 rows and first 1 column. It means this order of this is 2 cross 1 and order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. So we write here the reason why it is false. It is false it is false because 0 1 having has 2 cross 1 order and 0 1, this is column matrix and this is row matrix. And its order is 1 cross 2. Second part of question number 3, we have matrix 3 2 minus 1 0. This is equal to 3 2 minus 1 and 4. This is also false because entries are not same. We observe that 3, we compare all entries. We observe that first A11 is same, second same, third same, but fourth is not same. In first matrix we have 0 and second we have 4. Third part we have x2 6 5 is equal to 9 2 6 5. If x is equal to 9, this is true. Part 4, we have matrix xy 0 0. This is equal to xy. This is false. Order is not same. Question number 4, for what values of A, B, C, D the pairs of matrices will be equal? We have here 2 matrices. This is first part of question number 4. A, B, C, D and 3 minus 4, 2 and D. Solution: when A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 2 and D is equal to 1, the 2 pairs are equal. Question number 5, for what values of variables the equations are true? Third part of question number 5, x plus y 1, x minus y 2 minus 2 and 4. This is equal to 4 1 9, 2 minus 2 and 7. By comparing these two matrices, we observe that x plus y is equal to 4 and we say it is equation number 1, and x minus y is equal to 9. We say this is equation number 2. By adding 1 and 2, we have x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 9. We have 2x is equal to 13, x is equal to 13 divided by 2. By putting this value in equation number 1, x in 1, we have x plus y is equal to 4, implies 13 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 4, and y is equal to 4 minus 13 divided by 2, which is equal to 8 minus 13 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Hence, we have values of x and y. Hence, x is equal to 13 by 2 and y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Question number 6. Write first part 2 by 2 upper triangular and 3 by 3 upper triangular matrix. Solution. We can construct 2 cross 2 upper triangular matrix. As A11, A12, 0, A22, and 3 cross 3 upper triangular matrix as A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. Next we have the second part 2 by 2 lower triangular matrix and 3 cross 3 lower triangular matrix. First we write 2 cross 2 lower triangular matrix A11, 0, A21, A22. This is lower triangular matrix. Next we have 3 by 3 lower triangular matrix A11, 0, 0, A21, A22 and 0, A31, A32 and A33. Question number 7. Write the transpose of this matrix. First part of question number 7. We have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We know that by converting rows into columns, we get transpose of the matrix. Solution. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, A transpose is equal to, first we transform this row into column 1, 2, 3 and second row into column 4, 5, 6. This is our A transpose. Question number 8. State whether or not matrix is symmetric. We have matrix 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. We know that if a matrix has square matrix has a transpose and the original matrix is equal with each other, all elements are equal, then our matrix, given matrix, is called symmetric. Let A is, we call this matrix A 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Let us take its transpose. This is equal to, for transpose we convert all rows into columns. First row have elements 1 1 0, we convert into column 1 1 0. Next we have 1 0 1, next 0 1 0, and we observe that the original matrix and the transpose matrix is same. Hence A transpose is equal to A, hence A is symmetric. Question number 9. Check which matrix is skew symmetric. For third part of question number 9. 0, we have matrix 0 minus 3 minus 4 3 0 5 4 minus 5 and 0. Solution. We know that A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Let us say that A is 0 minus 3 minus 4 3 0 5 4 minus 5 and 0. We take its transpose. All rows convert into columns 0 minus 3 minus 4 and 3 0 5 4 minus 5 and 0. We observe that this is equal to when we multiplied this with minus sign, we have 0 minus 3 minus 4 3 0 5 4 minus 5 and 0, and this is equal to minus A, and we say that this is, hence A is skew symmetric. Matrix. Question number 10. If we have a matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, find A transpose. Take A transpose is equal to B, then find B transpose. This is our question. We have A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and A transpose is equal to, first row becomes first column 4 5 6 7 8 9. By condition, given condition, A transpose is equal to B. Let us find B transpose. We have B 1 4 7. This is B 2 5 8 3 6 9, and B transpose is equal to, this row becomes column 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9. We observe that A is equal to B transpose, hence the transpose of the transpose of a matrix is the original matrix. And that's complete our exercise.